Between August 17th, Homeless Animal Day, and October 4th, World Animal Day, we find ourselves reflecting on the beauty and importance of our animal companions. These days remind us that every creature, big or small, deserves a home, place where can they thrive, free from harm and manipulation. Yet, too often, we see animals displaced from their rightful homes. Stray dogs and cats roam the streets, searching for love and safety, while wild animals face habitat destruction at the hands of human expansion. This is not just a loss for them, it's a loss for us all. Each animal plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Imagine a world where every animal can roam freely in its natural habitat, where elephants wander through vast savannahs, where wolves howl under the stars, and where birds fill the skies with their songs. This is the world we must strive to protect. Animals belong in nature, not confined or manipulated by human hands. We have the power to make a difference by advocating for conservation and supporting local shelters. We can ensure that every creature has a chance to live in harmony with nature. Let's maintain the delicate balance of our ecosystems and create safe havens for those who cannot speak for themselves. As we bridge the gap between these two important days, let's commit ourselves to preserving the beauty of our planet for all its inhabitants. Together, we can create a world where every animal finds its place, where they are cherished, respected, and allowed to live as nature intended.